Hey, our friend Sarah and Job, Penguin Dad fishing with his son.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end, and I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We use our markers to draw and color with, but like we mentioned a lot, you can use whatever you have, like pencils or even crayons. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's draw our penguin dad on the right side. We're gonna draw a beak first. So I'm gonna draw an upside down U or curve. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of the beak, or the mouth, and then the bottom of the beak. Yeah, and then we can draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw little ovals and color them in right next to each other. Yeah, okay, now let's draw the head. And we're gonna draw a big upside down letter U for the top of our penguin's head. And then down at the bottom on each side, we're gonna draw it curving in for the cheeks. Okay, now let's draw our penguin's body. We're gonna start here, and we're gonna draw, looks like a backwards J. And I drew it coming up a little high over here on the side. I think I'm gonna draw it a little different. Even though we're using markers, I'll show you what I'm gonna do with this. So you could even do it too. So start at the bottom and draw it coming out a little further on the side. Then we're gonna draw the wing. So let's draw it curving down and then back up. And then right here we could draw the little tail on our penguin and then connect into the flipper, or wing. And then right here, I'm going to turn this into the belly line and curve up to there. Yeah, and then we could draw the flipper wing on the other side, hanging on to the fishing pole. So I'm going to draw it coming out further. Now let's draw our little penguin's feet. We're going to draw it coming out and then curving around and then back in. And then I'm going to draw another one right next to it. There we go. Now let's draw our little penguin child or son or daughter, whichever one.
Yeah.
Let's draw the head first. So I'm going to draw it right here. We can draw the outside shape of the head so that we know how close it is to our dad. Okay, and then let's draw the beak. So I'm going to draw the same little curve for the top of the beak. Then we'll draw the mouth and the bottom of the beak. And then the eyes, which draw them really small. Then let's draw the cheeks coming in. And if we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, for more time. Okay, now we're going to draw the belly. And I want to line it up with the belly on the dad. So we're drawing it really small. And I drew it coming out past over here so that we can draw the flipper or wing, and then we'll draw the tail curving in. And then we can draw the other wing on the other side. Okay, and then for the feet, let's draw the same kind of shape, but smaller for the two little child penguin feet. Yes, there we go. Okay, now we're missing the fishing pole. Let's draw the pole right here. We're going to draw it going through our dad's little fin and then connecting to his belly. Let's draw this coming out just a little further on the side so that we can draw the fishing line coming straight down. Yeah, you can draw it a little higher so that you can draw the straight line and we have room for the fish. Or you could also draw the line short up here and then you could draw the fish higher. All right, now on each side, we're going to draw a curve coming down and then we'll leave a little space down at the bottom. And then we can draw the tail sticking out on both sides. And then we'll connect it at the bottom. And we can also draw a little fin on top. Let's also draw an eyeball and a gill. Okay, let's also give our little penguins an iceberg that they're standing on. So first I'm going to draw a line between them. I turn my paper sideways. Makes it a little easier to draw sometimes. Then we're going to imagine that going behind the baby penguin or child, and then curve around. And then let's add a little bump in it, and then we'll come out further or around. And I'm going to add another little bump, and then we'll come up and then curve in. Let's make the iceberg thicker. We can draw a diagonal line where it's coming straight down almost, but a little tipped. And then we're going to match the same curve, but down here. So we'll come over here, curve out, up, and then connect to the other side. We did it. We finished drawing our little penguin family, our dad and our child.
Yeah.
Except we still need to
Color them.
Yes, this will make them look more like penguins. We're gonna add a dark pattern that goes over their eyes and connects to the beak. But this part will fast forward, so at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our penguin dad fishing, and it looks so much better all colored in. I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings.
Yeah, you could use markers like us or something different.
Yeah, like colored pencils or even crayons.
Yeah.
I like that we colored the iceberg light blue on top, then a medium blue on the side, and then dark blue for the water. This makes the iceberg look more 3D. I also added a shadow underneath the penguin, but you can leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier.
You could also add a lot more things in the background.
Oh yeah, more icebergs and a lot more penguins would be cool.
Yeah.
I think I said penguins.
Penguins. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.